boys and girls, welcome to Roaring Guitar. We have Daniel Caesar here with a song called Roots of All Evil. And I find it very amusing that it sings about that title, Root of All Evil, with this uplifting kind of melodious, nice song. I find it just very nice to have this crash with the theme and how it actually sounds. So anyway, that's just my own thought. Let's go into this tutorial, and we're gonna play very high up with this capo set on the 7th fret. And with that, we have a couple of chords to go over. Let's do it together. So capo on 7th, and let's start with A first. Okay, we're gonna go open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord is the A major 7. Okay, so it's very similar to A. It goes open A, second D, and the difference comes here on the G. It's 1st fret G string, and then second B, and open E. Then we have the D major 7, and that is open D, second G, second B, and second E. And yes, you have a short little bar there, so you don't have to go in with a million fingers like this. You just place a bar on this 2nd fret, 3 strings. Okay, next chord is the C major 7, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the B minor 7, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger now on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings except for the last E string in the bass here. So the 5 strings below there are necessary, and then you need to add 4th fret D and 3rd B. We also got the D minor 7. That will be open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And again, I place a little bar there on the 1st B and E. So I have that index finger there, and then I just add up to this D minor 7. And finally, we have the A sharp chord. And what I do here, I place 2 bars, one on the 1st fret, 5 strings from bottom up like this. And in front of that, I play a 2nd bar on the 3rd fret. I hit the D, G, and B. And if I just want to lean my finger all the way down there, then I avoid to play the last E string with my strumming hand. I play in the middle of the string. Something like that, all right? And that is the A sharp chord. Now, let's learn the strumming pattern, and let's do it with the first A chord. So grab that one, and one round goes like this. Okay, so it's down, up, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up. That is one string round. A couple rounds goes like this. All right, so we have two kind of styles to play here. One is the verse play, and the other one is the chorus play, and just it goes back and forth like that. So the verse play is played A, 1 string around, the A major 7, 1 string around, and the D major 7, 2 string rounds. And that's it. So let's do it together. A1, A major 1, and D major 2. Again. All right. And then we're going to learn the chorus play, and it starts about 1 minute and 2 seconds in. What you're going to play here now is the C major 1, the B minor 7 1, and A major 7 2. That's the first half of it. The second half is to play D minor 7 1, the C major 7 1, the B minor 7 1, and the A sharp 1. So let's do it together. And that is the chorus play. And there you have all the tool guys to handle Daniel Caesar's song called Roots of All Evil. Yes, that is the song. Hope you loved this tutorial, and if you did, support me here on Going Guitar and be back for next upload. Till then, guys, play tuned.